നിന്റെ നുണക്കുഴി കണ്ടപ്പോ അടിവയറ്റില് മഞ്ഞുള്ള രാത്രി നിന്റെ ചിരി അത് കണ്ടപ്പോ അയ്യോ നെഞ്ചിലൊരാതി കരിമിഴിയുള്ള കളവാണി കൂന്തല് കണ്ടപ്പോ കണ്ണെന്ന് ഉടക്കി ചിരിക്കല പെണ്ണെ കല്യാണി നിന്റെ പാറത്തെ പുള്ളി എന്നെ
Hello guys. So it's
कोई बात नहीं
మనం ట్రిప్కి వెళ్తున్నట్టు ఊరంతా తెలిసేలా ఉంది సూట్ కేస్ సౌండ్ వల్ల. బట్ యా ఎనీవే వీఆర్ హెడింగ్ టు గోకర్ణ. డైరెక్ట్ చూద్దాం. ఎనీవే సో యాజ్ ఆఫ్ నో ఐఎమ్ గోయింగ్ టు జిమ్ టు గెట్ ద ట్రైపాడ్. ఏమా కుక్కలు వస్తాయని భయం అవుతుంది భయ్యా. ఎనీవే go get the tripod first. Our guy is bringing the selfie stick and all that. So let's go. And who are we going with, we'll see. I'll just pick up the tripod and go to wherever we're supposed to go and catch the train. Let's go. Bye boy. I just opened the gym, guys. No one is awake. What the fuck? Anyway, 1 second. Let's turn on the lights. We just got our tripod ready. That's the gym. That's our outfit.
हाँ ये कर लो पहले.
The camera quality is bad. We'll get the iPhone once we go to destination. So just have to book the cab right now. I'll book the cab. I'll hopefully book direct to BL or to direct Yeshwanthpur. Let's see. Waiting for that door.
लेकिन ये साला कर क्या रहा है यहाँ पे?
So we are here finally. Everyone are going. You said this. You guys know him. Hey, these are other guys.
That's a guarantee. Talk to me, numbers never lie. Add it up, that's me. I said 23. I said 23.
It is flashback. Only bad words. Only bad words. Only.
ನಾ ಬಾಯಿ ಮುಚ್ಕೊಂಡಿದ್ದೀವಿ ನಮ್ಮನ್ನ ಕೆಣಿಬೇಡಿ.
Warning, everybody warning.
New candidate here.
Name you candidate. No.
इब्रो
New candidate. Blog lo new candidate.
Okay.
ఇంకో new candidate ఇక్కడ.
Good night. Sara. Good night అన్న ఇక్కడ నేను స్పెక్స్
నీకెందుకు విండో సీట్ ఇడే వచ్చే ఉన్న లాగంలే కంగారు బ్రేక్ఫాస్ట్ యారా స్పాన్సర్ ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು
ಇದು ಚಟ್ನಿನ ಸಾಮಾನು ಇರ್ತಾನೆ ಸಾಮಾನ ಕೇಳ್ಬೇಕು ಚಟ್ನಿ ಮಗ
బిహైండ్ ద సీన్స్ బ్లాగ్ లో వేస్తాయి కిడ్నాప్ సీన్ రీక్రియేషన్
भाई यहाँ पे क्या हो रहा है? भाई यहाँ पे क्या हो रहा है? भाई ये कहाँ फंस गया भाई मैं? भाई ये क्या हो रहा है भाई?
ಸಾಕು ಬಿಡು ಅಷ್ಟೇ.
ये लोग रील रिक्रिएट कर रहे हो పని చేసిన ప్రైవసీ మళ్ళీ ఇంకా
ಅಭಿಷೇಕ್ ಬಗ್ಗು
ನಿನ್ಗೆ ನಾನು
Officially gay.
ಬೇಡ ಯಾಕೆ ಬ್ಯಾಗ್ತಿದೆ ಆಕಾಂಕ್ಷ
Okay, that's great. I should never be the first one sleep in a boy's bed. So as of now, Sharath is sleeping. I'll show you. I can see you.
అంటే
నన్నేమి చేయకండి. ఎంతైనా నన్ను క్రియేట్ చేసిన వారు. మీ చేతులతోనే నన్ను పీకి పారెక్కండి. నన్ను క్షమించి వదిలేయండి ప్లీజ్. దిగిపోద్ది.
ಮಾಡೋದೆಲ್ಲ ಮಾಡ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು
ಫುಲ್ ಬ್ಯಾಚ್ ಬೇಡ ಕೆಳಗಡೆ ಎಸೆಸ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಕೆಳಗಡೆ ಕಣ ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಕೆಳಗಡೆ ಅಷ್ಟೇ
ಡಾಕ್ಟರ್ ಡಾಕ್ಟರ್ ఎవడో ట్రైన్ లో నిమిషం కూర్చోరేమో కదా. ఇప్పుడే ఆగింది ట్రైన్. ఇప్పుడు కాదు 4 గంటలు ఆగింది.
ಟೈಮ್ ಹೋಗ್ತಿದ್ದಲ್ಲೇ
ಎಷ್ಟು ಟೈಮ್ ಎಷ್ಟಾಯ್ತು?
11
11:30. 9. We should get on at 9. Crazy travels.
ಬಸ್ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿದೆ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿದೆ
ఏ భయ నడుం బానే ఉందా?
అచ్చా నొక్కరీ మళ్ళ అచ్చా
బాగా పడ్డాడు.
పురుగుల పట్టి చేస్తావురా నా కొడక.
బేసిక్ ఏంటంటే ఇప్పుడు నుంచి మొత్తం ಘಾಟ್ ಸೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಅಂತ ಘಾಟ್ ಸೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಅಂತೆ ಅದನ್ನ ಪ್ರೆಷರ್ ರಿಲೀಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರು ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ ಘಾಟ್ ಸೆಕ್ಷನ್ ఇప్పుడు ఉంటుంది అసలైన పండగ మొత్తం ఘాట్ సెక్షన్.
जरा सी दिल में दे जगह तू, जरा सा अपना ले बना, जरा सा ख्वाबों में सजा तू, जरा सा यादों में बसा, मैं चाहूं तुझको मेरी जा बेपना, फिदा हूं तुझ पे मेरी जा बेपना.
ಸಾಯ್ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿದೆ ಬಟ್ ಟ್ರೈನರ್ ಟಕ್ ಅಂತ ತಕ್ಕ ರೆಡಿ ಇಲ್ಲ ಪಟ್ಪಟ್ಟು
रोस्ट कर रहे हैं ಏನು ಪ್ರೈವೇಟ್ ಲೈಫ್ ಮೇಲೆ ತೆಗೆದು ಆಗ್ತೇ ಈ ಪಬ್ಲಿಕ್ ಲೈಫ್ ಬಿಡಿಗೆ ನಮ್ದಲ್ಲ ಕಾಂಪಿಟೇಷನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ. To have lunch, guys. It's a good view. वैसे पानी नहीं है, बहुत कम है पानी। पानी के लिए किसी और के पीछे जा रहे हैं, अंकल लेके जा रहे हैं। 3-4 बॉटल ले लिया हम लोग। सोए कैसे?
इधर लाइक की लड़ाई
Bro.
Phone charging. Bro, I'll show you. यहाँ पे power bank पूरी आज is also ours, and then now we are going to use our iPhone charging here. So basically, we own the train at this point. We are using the train perfectly, using all the power points. So, trying to charge. ठीक है ना, BGM बैठा चलो. We'll be landing. Landing अंटारा. We'll be landing अंटारा. We'll be landing or what? Anyway, we'll be getting down at Gokarna. We will. Hey, Murteshwar. Gokarna, bro. Gokarna. Bro doesn't even know where it is.
We are going somewhere. We will land it and we will catch you guys.
So we'll be getting down at around 9 o'clock or something. Until then, we're gonna fully charge everything. And bro, my only confidence is the power bank. 20,000 mAh. 20,000 mAh.
You get that? We are staggered aloud.
And we've been charging it. For how long have we been charging power bank? It's been charged for 3 hours and 3 points are done. We need one more point to be done, and then 20,000 mAh. They are crazy. So we almost reached our destination. Yes, sir. Okay, got our guide.
Yes, and the name of the rental bike.
So basically, what's the plan now?
We'll get off the train. We go to the waiting room. Then we'll roam outside. Then take the bikes.
We'll go to waiting room first.
Yeah, then we'll take the bikes and go to the ticket room.
Let's go, guys. We'll get a good vlog now. We'll go have dinner afterwards.
Yeah. And it's hungry right now. Let's.
We have reached Gokarna in 12 minutes.
Jai
Jai Gopal. Then yeah, this is my luggage. This is Sharat's luggage. We don't need this anyway, so let's just...
This guy is. He's the.
Hello.
He
is also from the LGBT community, as you all know. See his mood swings. You can see that.
reached Gokarna station. We are in the waiting room. All in the waiting room. First anyway, so now we are gonna go get lunch. Our check-in is tomorrow morning. So
We should take Abhi.
not lunch, what
Dinner.
dinner, sorry.
Hey, Abhi, need number contact bana.
We'll go. ये नहीं क्या होने नहीं क्या? होने नहीं क्या?
Tarak ko wala.
So guys, we came out for getting dinner. But then, bro, this place is deserted, bro. It's so horror coded at this point. Just look at the area. You're making me look horror. See, we are looking like horror. Now see here. Location journey. See, there's no. You can't see anything with this. All I see is darkness, and even the backside I'll show you. It's all dark. The station is like 1 kilometer back.
I am also dark.
Bro, you're not visible only. So the thing is, if someone attacks you from here, bro, bro, no one is gonna even identify you. It's so scary. So we're just walking to find some dinner. Bro, trust me, if you're coming with boys and all, it's fine, unless one of them knows to fight. Like this guy next to me. Yeah, he's visible. Hi guys. Like this guy, bro, looks scary.
I am
the invisible
fighter in this group.
But other than that, if you're coming with a family or with your partner and all, trust me, don't come at night.
Come at night, yes.
it's like really bad. You don't know from where you're gonna get attacked. I see people coming, I'm like, chalo, it's fine. Type of. It's better to keep my camera on, bro.
Sir.
But then charge is gonna get.
Which one, ba?
Chalo, we'll just find way. It's so dark coded. But then let's go, bro. This is adventure. Hey, this guy he was telling he regrets something.
He regrets being born. Even I forgot it for what I was
Regret about trip.
coming at night.
Coming at night. Now he's
Worst decision. Thing is that we enjoy the route, everything, but the worst part is night at Gokarna. Station is too poor. It's like village, proper village station, and the route worst. Not even a proper street lights here. It's not like a tourist place at all.
my only confidence is we guys, few of us know to flight.
Especially me.
First seat Esther. Anyway, let's go. Chalo, bro, someone's sitting in auto. We'll see. But there's all homes and all ahead, so it's fine. But then you don't know who is who. Chalo. We just got something to eat. And what's up? That's all you get here. Maintain cash.
We are classy guys. Only we take classic.
जिस राह पे तुम चल रहे हो बेटा, एक दिन पूरी तरह फंसोगे। उस दिन मुझे याद करना, मैं पहुंच जाऊंगा।
Finally reached, guys. Finally reached.
Wonderful place of Gokarna.
Vitamin C, guys. But thumbs up vitamin.
Yeah. So just
अगला एपिसोड